Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel AK Cooks. Today I'm doing garlic and ginger paste because a lot of people request me to show them how I do my garlic and ginger paste. So this is for you guys. So I'm gonna show you what I use. So I got ginger here, less than half a kg of ginger in there, and I got 4 garlic in there. I just leave it like this, so pieces I didn't cut. And I got like a couple of coriander from my garden, and I got a green pepper, half a green pepper. I just cut it like small pieces. So, and if you don't want to use it like green pepper or coriander, you don't have to. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. You could only make it with the garlic and ginger, and it still will be a good paste. But I mainly gives me very nice flavors and nice color. So let's start showing how I do. So I'm just gonna put the ginger in there now. And by the way, I washed it everything properly, so make sure you wash everything and dry, then put it on, please. And I'm gonna put the garlic now. And the green pepper. And the coriander. And I'm just gonna add half a cup of water in there. It should be alright. If I need it, I might add a little bit more. So I'm just gonna so I just put the lid on and everything. Now I'm just gonna put the blender on. So it's done now, as you can see. Look, very nice and color. So I'm just gonna put it in there now. So I just put in a container, and you could store it for more than 1 week, and you could use it. So it's just nice, freshly made, and it's very healthy as well. So please do try, and thank you for watching my channel. Inshallah, I'll see you on my next video. Take care, and Assalamu alaikum.